How to change email on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can change email on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to change the email address for your Instagram account, or maybe that is connected with your Instagram account, you can tap and open the Instagram app, come to the profile page here. Now one thing that you can try to do is when you go to edit profile section, you can see we don't have option to change the email. But under it you'll find an option that says personal information settings. So go to this personal information settings here, and from here you'll be able to see your contact info directly. So go to contact info, then just select your email address and then just select your Instagram account. All you have to do is you can just try to delete this current email address. When you delete the current email address and then come back, you'll find an option to add a new contact where you can simply add a new email address. This way you can go ahead and then basically change your email on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.